has a bag full of quarters and dimes. She has 32 coins in all. If she has $5.45, how many quarters does she have? All right, so this is a systems problem because this is all our problems are systems. So I always like to use X and Y. So we have to figure out what we want X and Y to be. So we're dealing with two things, quarters and dimes. So I'm gonna make X quarters, and you need to figure out how much is a quarter worth. A quarter is worth 25 cents, which we write 0.25. And then dime will be Y, and a dime is worth 10 cents, and we write that 0.10. So the first equation is total coins, not total money, total coins. And so I know if I took all the quarters, X, and all the dimes, Y, and I didn't count how much they were worth, but I just counted how many coins I have. She has 32 coins in all, so this equals 32. Then we always make an equation with just money. So it has to be all money. So a quarter, X, is worth 25 cents. So 0.25X plus a dime, which is worth 10 cents. So 0.10, and a dime is Y, equals what's the total money? $5.45. So we're going to use our calculator to solve this, but we need to do Yolanda first, and we're going to use our shortcut first. So the first thing I want to do is Yolanda needs to break up with the X, so we're going to subtract X, and then you can divide by 1, but if you notice, Yolanda's by herself already, so we're going to put that in the calculator. On the next one, we're going to put here, I kind of ran out of room, so I'm going to write this actually smaller. So I'm going to write it over here, 0.25X plus 0.10Y equals 545. 545. And so we need to break up with this X right here. So we are going to subtract 0.25X. And we're just going to write it here off the side, minus 0.25X. Then we are going to divide by Yolanda's friends, which she has 0.10 friends here. So divide by 0.10, divide by 0.10. And we are going to type in this, Y equals this right here. So let me pull up my calculator. Y equals 32 minus X is our first one. Y equals 32 minus X. And then Y equals divide 545 minus 0.25X over 0.10. And so we need to make sure that we can see it. So we'll have to zoom until we see it. And we're going to tap where they intersect. And I get the point 15, 17. So that's really giving us our answer. So X, which is this 15 right here, and 17 is Y. So that means she has 15 quarters and she has 17 dimes. Now they're asking how many quarters does she have? So our answer is she has 15 quarters.